Yo, what's up guys? My name is Peiko. Welcome to the Peiko Tsunami channel. Today, like I said before, we're gonna be knocking out the Subaru. You guys watched the last video, the Honda Accord is out of commission. And now we need to work on the Subaru because the Subaru engine is on my engine stand and I need to take it apart to at least put it in the car, you know? I just can't knock out the Subaru on its own, okay? So after completely taking out the engine on the last Subaru video, I realized, yo, there is so much more that I can do with this car now that it is completely, utterly disassembled, right? So my buddy gave me an idea.
The Subaru is going through some changes right now where the engine bay's paint is trash. So I ended up buying some paint match because I got lucky enough to actually find something like this, and some glossing so I can, like, you know, clear coat it.
And I mind you, I don't have a garage. I don't have the tools to professionally spray anything, so I kind of dabbled. I was like, you know what, why not? So looked online, I found Duplicolor's paint match, and luckily for some reason they still got a couple cans of the Glacier White for my Subaru, which is really surprising. So I also paired this with a gloss clear, also from Duplicolor, and stay away from this. If you're gonna be painting engine bays, kinda do not do it. It's just my personal take on it. If you can, pick up this 2K clear coat. If I did a little more research, this is probably where I would have gone. But yeah, 2K definitely eats the gloss clear. So yeah, as you can tell, here's a photo from what it was before. And as you can tell, this is the reason why I decided to paint it. And this is the photo after. And this is just the paint. This is not the clear yet, but as you can already tell, it's amazing. Also decided, since I'm already this far in it and I saw my headlights are kind of trash, I decided to also clean them up, and all I used was a mag and aluminum polish. So you can grab this anywhere, Walmart, AutoZone, whatever have you, but like legit guys, if your headlights are like bad, but they're not like you need sandpaper bad, this is 100% the way to go, and it's so easy. You just need a drill attachment for, like, I don't know, a polishing pad, and then just lather that baby up. Like literally, like, don't go overboard because it'll sling everywhere if you put too much, but just enough so you cover the headlight, and then at least like 5 or 6 passes. And just be prepared to do this like every 3 or 4 months, unless you use some type of, like, I don't know, don't use clear coat. Clear coat will yellow, but maybe some 2K again, maybe 2K again, I don't know, yeah. But as you can tell, this is the before and after side by side. So I 100% recommend this just to see properly at night. It makes your build so much better too, I promise, like legit. So there you have it. I painted the engine bay, the headlights, and next I decided to actually clean up the actual windshield wiper fluid reservoir tank. So this thing, you could tell it's pretty gross. I broke the cap because I was trying to take off the cap, but yeah, you know, no one will notice, but me, obviously me. But because these things are so hard to clean, I just decided to get some 1500 grit sandpaper and wet sanded. And to be honest, it's little things like this that make the engine bay a lot cleaner to the naked eye, and only you will know the little tricks you've done to make this thing a little nicer. Paired on top of that, since I was already painting stuff, I decided to paint the little bits and bobs of metal pieces, like the fuel filter like bracket and things that hold up just random cords and stuff like that in the engine bay. And I decided to go with a gold. And as you can tell, I kind of have a little accent thing going on. I got a brand new white paint, got some gold paint on the little accents, and since I got that all nice and finished up, I decided to actually knock out the intake. And with the intake, I did something a little special with this. I really like the F22A1 or the F22A valve covers. You know, they got that nice crinkle black all over the top, and for some reason I noticed that only the STI or the WRX, some turbo engine for the Subaru, have this red crinkle paint, so I decided to go with black. And yeah, dude, honestly, I would recommend 100% if you have the chance and have the time to do this, because it makes a huge difference and it looks beautiful. And I did this, again, no garage, no covering, just straight up in the shade. Then I waited for the sun and with a heat gun, and it turned out phenomenal, as you can tell. But that's it, guys. So in the next video, I'm going to be basically putting the engine back together. So it's going to be more of like a vlog style, like this one was, and kind of just telling you guys how I did it. There is going to be a video out there about a how-to on reinstalling everything back in your engine. So disassemble the engine and then reinstall and all that fun stuff. Yeah, just want to keep you guys updated on what's going on and how the build's going. And yeah, guys, there's a lot to cover. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.